Okay. Now let us try to answer some of the interview questions. And the first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine that allows us to execute JavaScript on the server side. uh, Whereas the Apache is a web server and the PHP is a server side scripting language. Uh, the the key differences of the key differences between the Node.js and Apache or PHP are non-blocking input outputs. Node.js uses a single language for both server side and the uh, client side, and it uses Node.js uses an event-driven non-blocking input-output model, which makes it lightweight and flexible to use for concurrent usage. It also uses a single language, that is JavaScript, for both server side and client side of the website. Node.js uses a npm for the package management to handle packages and dependencies. What is a callback? Second question: what is a callback function and in the Node.js, and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is a function that passed as an argument to another function and is executed after the completion of that function. In Node.js, the callback functions are commonly used in asynchronous programming to handle operations like file input output, database queries, and network requests. This allows the Node.js to handle many operations concurrently and maintain high performance. The third question is, what is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? And the package.json file is a crucial part of any Node.js process, and it holds as various metadata that is related to the project. It is used to manage the project dependencies, scripts, versioning, and other settings. The key properties include the name of the project, the version of the project, description, the description of the process, the main, which is the entry point of the application, scripts, license, author. The fourth question is, explain the difference between required and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over another? Required. The require statement is the older common JS syntax used for importing modules. It is synchronous and can be used anywhere in the code. Import. This is the newer ES6 module syntax that is asynchronous and must be used at the top level of the file. We use require for common JS modules and older Node.js projects. We use import for ES6 modules and modern code bases that uses ES6 syntax. Fifth question: what is middleware and and the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in Express application? Middleware in Express.js refers to the functions that have access to the request object, the response object, and the next middleware function in the application's request response cycle. Middleware functions can perform tasks like logging, authentication, passing, and more. The sixth question: What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. The RESTful API is called as representational state transfer API. Is an architectural style for designing networked applications. It relies on stateless communication and standard HTTP methods. The standard HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete. The get is used for retrieving data. The post is used for sending data to the server to create a new resource. The put is used for updating an existing resource on the server, and the delete is used for removing a resource from the server. And the seventh question is, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager, that is NPM, and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? The NPM is a package manager for JavaScript. It helps to manage and share code dependencies in a Node.js project. NPM allows you to install, update, and manage libraries in frameworks. And the last question, the eighth question, is why it is important to hash password in web application. Hashing passwords is crucial for security because it ensures that if database is compromised, the actual passwords are not exposed. Instead, data attackers only get access to hashed values which are not easily reversible. This protects user credential and prevent unauthorized access to their accounts. Thank you.